Happy Saturday, everyone. Emperor's New Groove representing. We are in Jellicoe, Tennessee.
Jellicoe.
At the Indian Mountain State Park. Got some pizza. Got some beautiful scenery.
Family.
Got some family.
Family. And then my mother-in-law is coming back from a random birthday party with birthday cake for us. And she got the first cut, and she got the corner piece of all things.
Hey! I didn't know it was recording. Anyway, this is like a little river area of the park here. It's very nice. And we met some nice, wonderful people over here that was having an 80th birthday party. And
Yes.
Mama went over there and introduced herself, and we got some free birthday cake.
And it sure was good.
It was good. So whoever birthday it is, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
He was 80. So if you watch this video and see us,
Trip is complete without Bible shopping.
3 Bibles. She said I can get 3 Bibles, right? You never seen somebody so excited about Bibles.
Here's these here 3 Bibles, and we even got a Who Wants to Be a Millionaire for 95 cents. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, we're coming, goats. We're coming, goats. Here we come.
We are coming back. Hello everybody, we're up on the top of the mountain in Chattanooga, Tennessee, right behind us. And we're at Sugar Ribs, and we're here to feed some goats.
And we just had the most delicious tacos ourselves.
Oh yeah.
But we got something to show you.
Come here, little buddy.
Oh, they're occupied right now. Oh, he took it away from me big time. We're literally on the side of a mountain feeding goats. I'm trying to get the feisty one. I think he's the little feisty one. Come here, little fella. Come here, little fella. Come here. Yummy, yummylicious. You like that?
Yeah.
You like cabbages? So yeah, that's our evening.
There you go.
Most delicious tacos. I had the catfish, he had the brisket.
Yeah. I had the sampler.
The sampler.
Yeah. And we highly recommend this place. It's
Sugar's Ribs.
Right off 75 in Chattanooga.
Yes, it
So
comes
right before you get to Rock City and
Ruby Falls. Come hang out with the goats.
Come hang out with the goats.